Hi everyone, welcome to Bheru Collection, exclusive studio for kids and girls wear, and this comes in a street called Sultanpet, which comes in Bangalore, India, and it comes in a complex called Mohana Cosmetic Arcade in second floor. And so this is studio. You can just have a look. What a studio! And daily lot of parcel goes different parts of India, South India, North India, lot of places it goes in India, and it's a great opportunity. Here this section that you are seeing here, you will get all the crop top 36 to 40 size, and you can just have a look at the collection chudidar 36 to 40 size, and again you can just have a look at the collection crop top 32 to 40 size, chudidar 32 to 40 size. Almost you will get 500 to 600 or even 1000 varieties, more than 10,000, 1 lakh piece. Even if you want, they'll deliver you. And just check the stock, another level, one of the biggest studio in India. No studio can come near to this. And just check the collections of the chudidar L size. This all is crop top L size. You'll get over here, and this chudidar you can just have a look, double XL size, again L size. So many varieties, so much collection. You have to purchase set wise. There is no single piece. Set wise you have to purchase, no single piece. Online delivery is there, but you have to pay full payment, no cash on delivery. And here you will get all the Saga frocks, Western item 18 by 22. You can just have a look, 24 to 34 size Western item Saga frock. So here you'll get all the Saga frocks. You can just check different varieties, different colors, and the collection keeps getting changed every week. And now all festival is also coming. You'll get everything over here, party wear, wedding wear, all festival wear you'll get here, crop top, gowns. Amazing place this is. Name very popular, very famous outlet all over India. So if you're a wholesaler, or if you want to start a business, you can come here, purchase in bulk. You're getting for very reasonable price. I'm not telling, since he's a direct supplier, his business gets affected. You can WhatsApp him, or you can visit his outlet. They'll send you all the details, and full payment, no cash on delivery. Online delivery is there, but full payment, no cash on delivery. Here you will get all crop top 22 to 30 size. You can just have a look. And right from here I'm going to one more floor, which is here, and here you will get all Baba suits for kids and nighties. So it's a great opportunity for you if you want to start business, if you want to purchase in wholesale price. This is one of the best place. More than 10,000 varieties. How much your piece you're looking? 1,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh piece also you'll get. Here you'll get all the nightwear, nighties and all you'll get, and you can just check the collections. Everything I cannot show you. By seeing the outlet only you can make it out. He has everything, whatever you're looking, everything, all size of nighties you'll get here. Different varieties of nightwear, nighties and all you'll get here.